So we continue those steps. Now we can make, at this point, this is 0 degree. Then cosine 0 equal to 1, sine 0, 0. Cosine 30, root 3 over 2, sine 30, 1 over 2. Cosine 60, 1 over 2, sine 30, root 3 over 2. Now, cosine 90, 0, sine 90 become 1, like that. Then, this 120, you can say cosine 120 become negative 1 over 2, and sine 120, root 3 over 2. And 150, cosine 150, negative root 3 over 2, sine 1 over 2. And cosine 180, negative 1, sine 180, 0. Now, cosine, so 210 becomes, so which is corresponding like this, right? Then this is the negative root 3 over 2, then this is negative 1 over 2, so negative 1 over 2. And now, 240, this become negative 1 over 2. And then also, negative root 3 over 2. And cosine 270, 0, sine 270, negative 1. Now, cosine 300, which is 1 over 2. Sine negative root 3 over 2. And 330, cosine 330, which is root 3 over 2. Sine 330, negative 1 over 2. And then cosine 360, 1, sine 360, 0, like that. Okay? So, I don't want you to memorize all these order pair value. I just want you to understand, 30, 60, 90 unit circle, the value always fluctuate between 1, root 3 over 2, 1 over 2, 0, or 0, 1 over 2, root 3 over 2, 1, like that. Always. And if cosine is 1, sine becomes 0. If sine is 1, then cosine becomes 0. Okay? So that's a key point here. Okay, now, another unit circle. So last time we talked about 30, 60, 90 special triangle. Then, through constructing the unit circle, I want to construct another special triangle, which is 45, 45, and 90 triangle. So as you see, those two are exactly same angle value. So we just call isosceles triangle, right? So just to make this hypotenuse equal to 1, then now this is 45, and then 45, then it's 90 here. Even though we don't know the x value, we can find, using the Pythagorean theorem, 1 squared equal to x squared plus x squared. So 1 equal to 2x squared. And divide by 2, then x squared becomes 1 over 2 here. So take square root, don't forget plus and minus, then it's going to be x equal to plus and minus root 1 over 2, or you can rewrite this x equal to plus and minus 1 over root 2. But we usually don't write irrational value on denominator, so rationalize it, which means multiply 2, then it becomes x equal to plus and minus root 2 over 2. But this is length. Length we usually indicate by only positive value, so each x must be root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. So that value will be the key value for this case. Now, go here. So far, this angle is 90, right? So you just bisect this angle. Then you know this is 45, right? And then you know that this all point 1, 0 still. 0, 1, negative 1, 0, 0, negative 1, right? So from here, just draw vertical line from this point, then you know this is 90, which means it must be 45 degree again. So this length must be isosceles. So through here, we can say this is root 2 over 2 basically. So x-axis also root 2 over 2, y-axis also root 2 over 2 basically. Then you can make 45 order pair, which is root 2 over 2 and then root 2 over 2, and then double of 45, which is 90, 0, 1. Now 135, this becomes, as you see, negative root 2 over 2. So this order pair becomes negative root 2 over 2 and then root 2 over 2. And then 180, just negative 1 and 0. And 225 here, there will be negative root 2 over 2, and then this also must be negative root 2 over 2. So now last one, 315, there also root 2 over 2 and then negative root 2 over 2. So like this. Now we can say sine 45 root 2 over 2, cosine 45 also root 2 over 2. Basically, you just read x value for cosine theta, y values for sine theta. So cosine 135 negative root 2 over 2, sine 135 root 2 over 2, like this. Okay? So if you understand those two unit circles, then it's much easier to understand all other trigonometric functions. Good? So we will continue trigonometric function through the next video.